Looking to create memorable, engaging, and interactive events that resonate with attendees on a personal level? An approach that not only improves consumer satisfaction and brand loyalty, but also drives better business outcomes? Introducing Kimlligraphy, a calligraphy agency that specializes in experiential personalization. In a mass-produced, data-driven digital world, our focus is bringing back the human touch to elevate experiences in real time or based on the preferences and needs of the consumer. We bring creativity into the mix, bridging the old and the modern using techniques such as pointed pen calligraphy, hand lettering, hand foil embossing, hand engraving, digital lettering, and product painting. Collaborating with high-profile brands like Mecca, Meta, and PwC, we enhance events and VIP gifting through our proven BizInk Flow blueprint, while also enhancing team bonding through our corporate workshops. With a growing national team of over 30 skilled calligraphers, lettering artists, creatives, and problem solvers across Australia, we are able to deliver personalisation at scale. We warmly invite you to experience Kimlligraphy and witness the value of experiential personalisation in a unique way with calligraphy. Feel free to browse our website or inquire below.